Hi everyone, welcome to the channel 1 Minute Birding, and the next bird we are going to see is Tailor bird. Tailor birds are the most common birds that we often see them in our urban garden or backyard. They can be seen in a pair, or sometimes you can also see a single bird. Though it is a common bird, I have never seen more than a pair in a locality. Maybe the birds have fixed their boundary to avoid conflicts. This is the smallest bird I have ever seen. At the same time, this bird is a hyperactive bird. It can't be idle. It will be jumping here and there every time, and it is a fast flyer. The male bird has a brown patch on the head, and the color will be more vibrant during breeding season. As the name implies, the tailor birds will nest by weaving two leaves. It brings cotton from a cotton plant or from the seeds of the plants like oleander, alamander, and even from the cottons used by humans. I watched the birds weaving nest, both male and female involved in a nest building, and with the smallest beaks, the birds stitch the leaves like a real tailor. It is really the toughest job. Kudos to the cuties for doing this. And an interesting thing I want to share here is how they choose the leaves to build the nest. The leaves are not so old and not new as well. They select the middle-aged leaves so that it will last long, at the same time it will be strong. They say it will use a secretion to stitch the leaves, and the secretion has some chemicals to protect the leaves from drying. I don't know how true it is, but I have seen the leaves in a fresh state even after the baby birds flew away. Depending on the size of the leaves, they will build the nest. If the leaf is big, then it will fold the leaf and stitch, and if the leaf is small, it will combine the nearby leaves and stitch them to make a nest. Inside the nest, they will place the cotton, as I said before, for the comfortness of the eggs. Other than these things, tailor birds are also called as songbirds. They used to make beautiful calls in search of the mates. They eat the insects and worms that are harmful to the plants, so in a way it protects our garden too. And whenever it rains, the tailor birds snatch the leaves and both in the raindrops. That's what I know about tailor birds. We'll catch you with another bird. Until then, bye. Take care.